Let me ask you something. Have you noticed how some women look calm, fresh, and radiant at 60, while others start feeling tired, lined, and older at 40? Why do wrinkles show up first around the eyes? Why do expensive creams stop working? And why does Botox seem like the only option people talk about? Now listen carefully. What if the solution to eye wrinkles has been sitting in your home for years and nobody told you? Before we continue, do me a small favor. If you care about aging naturally, if you want real results without needles, tap the like button and subscribe now. Because everything I share here is about helping women feel confident without extremes. Now let me show you something most beauty brands don't want you to know. Let me ask you something honestly. When was the first time you noticed lines around your eyes? Not deep wrinkles, not dramatic changes, just tiny lines. The kind that only showed up when you smiled. Maybe in certain lighting. Maybe in photos. Maybe when you leaned close to the mirror. At first, you ignored them. Everyone gets those, right? But then, slowly, they started showing even when you weren't smiling. They stayed longer. They became harder to hide. And one day, you realized something uncomfortable. Your eyes looked tired, even when you weren't. That moment hits differently. Because the eyes are the first thing people notice. They're where emotion lives, where warmth lives, where youth lives. And when that area changes, it feels personal. It doesn't feel like aging. It feels like losing something. Here's what most people don't realize. Wrinkles do not appear randomly. They follow biology. And the eye area is biologically disadvantaged from the beginning. The skin around your eyes is the thinnest skin on your entire body. Up to 10 times thinner than your cheeks. It has fewer oil glands, less collagen, less fat underneath, less protection. Think of it like tissue paper compared to leather. Both are skin, but one is built to last. The other is built to tear. Every blink stretches it. Every smile folds it. Every squint presses it. You blink about 15,000 times a day. That's thousands of tiny mechanical stresses. Every single day. For decades, and over time, that stress accumulates. But your skin doesn't complain. It just adapts, until it can't. Now here's where the quiet fear begins. After about age 35 to 40, something shifts inside your body. Hormones begin changing. Estrogen begins declining. Oil production slows. Cell turnover weakens. This is normal. It happens to every woman. But nobody explains what it does to your face. Estrogen helps keep skin thick. It helps retain moisture. It supports collagen. When it drops, the skin becomes thinner, drier, and slower to repair. And the eye area feels it first, because it has no backup system, no extra oil, no fat cushion, no strong barrier. So once moisture starts leaving faster than it enters, the damage begins. At first, it's just dryness. Your eye cream doesn't absorb the same. Makeup looks patchy. Concealer settles. Then it becomes texture. Fine creases. Crepey skin. Soft folds that don't disappear. Then it becomes permanent. Lines that stay. Shadowing. Hollowness. A tired look that sleep doesn't fix. And this is when people panic. They start thinking, is this permanent? Am I aging too fast? Do I need procedures now? Is this just how it's going to be? And many women quietly lose confidence at this stage. They stop looking at their face closely. They avoid bright mirrors. They feel older than they are. Not because of vanity, because identity is tied to appearance more than we admit. But here's the truth. Your skin is not failing. It is dehydrated, unsupported, and exhausted. That's it. The main enemy of the eye area is not age. It's chronic dehydration combined with low oil support. Let me explain. Healthy skin repairs itself at night. It rebuilds collagen. It renews cells. It strengthens barriers. But dry skin cannot repair properly. Instead of rebuilding, it struggles just to survive. Imagine trying to renovate a house while the roof is leaking. You can't. Everything you fix gets damaged again. That's what happens under your eyes. Moisture escapes. Inflammation increases. Collagen weakens. Elastic fibers break. Then the skin becomes even drier. And the cycle repeats. For years. Silently. This is why many anti-aging creams fail. They sit on top. They feel nice. They smell good. But they don't rebuild the environment your skin needs. They decorate a broken system. They don't repair it. What your eye area actually needs is deep lubrication, barrier restoration, anti-inflammatory support, cell-level nourishment. And that is where most people are shocked. Because the solution is not exotic. It is not expensive. It is not locked in luxury bottles. It has been used for centuries. It sits in medicine cabinets, beauty routines, traditional remedies, castor oil. And no, this is not about trends. This is about chemistry. Castor oil is over 90% ricinoleic acid. That fatty acid is deeply moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, barrier repairing, cell supportive. It penetrates more deeply than most oils. It reduces water loss. It strengthens weak skin. It creates the conditions your skin needs to heal itself. Not overnight, not magically, but biologically, naturally, sustainably. So the problem is not wrinkles. The fear is not aging. The simple cause is unsupported, dehydrated skin. And the natural relief is restoring what your skin lost. Support, oil, protection, repair. And in the next section, I'm going to show you exactly how castor oil works inside your skin, why it's different from other oils, and how to use it safely without clogging pores or causing irritation. So stay with me, because this is where everything changes. Castor oil's forgotten power. Now here's where things get interesting. Long before eye creams, before serums, before injectables, women used oils, not random oils, healing oils. One of the most powerful was castor oil, used in ancient Egypt, Ayurvedic medicine, traditional African beauty, Middle Eastern rituals, for skin, for lashes, for healing. Why? Because castor oil is not just oil. It is a biological protector. Why castor oil works? Let's talk about what's inside castor oil. First, ricinoleic acid. This is a rare fatty acid. It reduces inflammation, improves circulation, supports tissue repair. Around the eyes, this means less irritation, better blood flow, faster renewal. Second, omega fatty acids. These rebuild your skin barrier. They lock in moisture. They stop water loss. That alone reduces fine lines. Third, natural vitamin E. This protects collagen fibers. It slows breakdown. It keeps skin flexible. Fourth, antimicrobial properties. This keeps the area clean. Less irritation equals less aging. So castor oil doesn't fill wrinkles. It repairs the environment that created them. Step-by-step method. Now, let me show you the exact way to use it. This matters. More is not better. Here is the correct method. Step 1. Cleanse gently. Wash your face with lukewarm water. No harsh soap. Step 2. Pat dry, leave slightly damp. Damp skin absorbs better. Step 3. Use 1 drop. Put 1 tiny drop on your ring finger. Step 4. Warm it. Rub between fingers for 5 seconds. Step 5. Tap, don't rub. Gently tap around the orbital bone. Never pull. Step 6. Light massage. Tiny circles for 30 seconds. Step 7. Sleep. Let your skin work overnight. Do this 5 nights per week. Not every night. Rest matters too. For very dry skin. If your skin is extremely dry, you can blend 1 drop castor oil, 1 drop vitamin E oil, 1 drop almond or rosehip oil. Mix in your palm. Apply the same way. This adds more nourishment, more softness, more glow, especially helpful after 55. Let's be honest, this is not magic. You won't wake up wrinkle-free. But here is what many women notice. After 1 week, less tightness, more comfort. After 3 weeks, softer lines, better makeup. After 6 weeks, improved elasticity, healthier texture. After 3 months, real skin change, not filters, not lighting, real improvement. Please remember this. Do not use too much. Rub aggressively. Apply in sunlight. Use cheap industrial oil. Expect instant miracles. Gentle wins. Always. Why results multiply? Oils help, but these matter too. Drink water. Sleep well. Stop by rubbing. Wear sunglasses. Eat healthy fats. Manage stress. Skin listens to your lifestyle. Let me say something important. Wrinkles around your eyes mean you smiled, you loved, you lived. They are not flaws. But caring for your skin is not vanity. It is respect. You deserve to feel good in your own reflection. At every age. So tonight, before you reach for another cream, try this simple ritual. 1 drop. 5 minutes. Consistency. That's it. If you've tried castor oil before, comment below. Did it help you? Your story might help another woman. And if this video gave you value, please like, subscribe, and share it. We are building a space where women age with confidence, not fear. New videos every week. Natural, honest, practical. Thank you for being here. Take care of your skin. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video.